Hey there, photography enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the world of creativity through the lens. Today, I have something special in store for you. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the fundamentals of photography, and the best part is, we'll cover it all in just 30 minutes. So grab your cameras, buckle up, and get ready to unleash your inner artist. Shot 1. The power of composition. In the first shot, we'll explore the power of composition. Understanding the elements that make up a captivating composition is vital in creating visually stunning images. We'll discover the rule of thirds, leading lines, symmetry, and other composition techniques that will instantly elevate your photography skills. Imagine capturing mesmerizing landscapes, portraits, and street scenes simply by mastering the art of composition. Visual suggestion. Show examples of different composition techniques with overlay grids on images. Shot 2. Mastering exposure. Next up, we'll tackle the concept of exposure. Have you ever struggled with images that are too bright or too dark? Well, fear not. I'll guide you through the exposure triangle, which consists of aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. By understanding and balancing these three elements, you'll have full control over the amount of light captured in your photographs. Say goodbye to overexposed or underexposed shots. Visual suggestion. Demonstrate the effects of adjusting aperture, shutter speed, and ISO on a camera display. Shot 3. Capturing light and shadows. Light is the essence of photography, and in this shot, we'll explore the beauty of light and shadows. We'll discuss the different types of natural and artificial light sources and how to harness their magic to create stunning effects in your images. From golden hour to low-key and high-key lighting, we'll explore various lighting techniques that will add depth and drama to your photographs. Visual suggestion. Showcase images with different lighting setups and their resulting effects. Shot 4. Unleashing creativity with composition. Now that you've mastered the basics, it's time to unleash your creativity. In this shot, we'll push the boundaries of composition and experiment with unique angles, perspectives, and unconventional framing. We'll delve into the world of abstract photography, double exposures, and creative techniques that will make your images stand out from the crowd. It's time to think outside the box and let your imagination run wild. Visual suggestion. Show a series of creative and artistic photographs shot from various perspectives. Shot 5. Post-processing and editing tips. No photography journey is complete without a touch of post-processing magic. In this final shot, I'll share some valuable editing tips and techniques to enhance your photographs. We'll explore popular editing software and discuss how to bring out the best in your images through adjustments, filters, and creative effects. Get ready to take your shots from good to extraordinary with a little post-processing wizardry. Visual suggestion. Showcase the step-by-step editing process on screen with before and after comparisons. Suggested video titles. 1. Master Photography in 30 Minutes, The Ultimate Crash Course. 2. Photography 101. Learn the basics in just half an hour. 3. From Beginner to Pro, Photography Basics Made Easy. 4. 30-Minute Photography Challenge, Master the Fundamentals. 5. Unlock your photographic potential. Get started in 30 minutes. Video description. Join me on a thrilling photography adventure as we dive into the world of composition, exposure, lighting, creativity, and post-processing. In just 30 minutes, you'll learn the essential basics that will help you capture breathtaking images. Get ready to elevate your photography game with these practical tips and techniques. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this crash course is perfect for you. Don't miss out on becoming a master of photography in no time. Hit that play button now and let's get started.